Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you if you can transfer an Amazon gift card balance to your bank account. First, open your Amazon account and redeem your Amazon gift card. To do this, go to Amazon, sign in to your account, and click on Gift Cards. After that, select Redeem a gift card and enter the code from your card. Once you confirm it, the balance will be added to your Amazon account. Now you need to understand something important. Directly transferring an Amazon gift card balance to a bank account is not officially supported by Amazon. Amazon gift card funds are mainly designed for buying eligible items on Amazon. They are not meant for cash withdrawals or direct bank transfers. Many people search online for ways to convert Amazon gift card balance into cash. You may also find some third-party websites that claim they can buy Amazon gift cards and send money to your bank account. But you should be very careful with these websites. Most of them are not safe, and many are scams or frauds. Using them can put your money and personal information at risk. Because of that, avoiding these websites is usually the safest choice. There are only a few safer alternatives if you want money from your Amazon gift card balance. One option is to give the gift card or use your balance to buy something for a friend or family member, and then ask them to pay you in cash or through a bank transfer. Another option is to buy products from Amazon that are easy to resell. You can then sell those items locally or online and receive cash for them. So while there is no official way to transfer Amazon gift card balance directly to a bank account, these alternatives are the safest methods available. Thanks for watching.